Built on the DALL-E 2 open AI model, Jasper is a multifunctional AI software. Today, we'll be focusing on its image generating capabilities, but if you're interested in what else it can do, check out our other video all about Jasper. When it comes to art, it excels at creating landscapes, product shots, and food images. If you need to create images of vehicles, people, or animals, Midjourney is a better option, and we have a video on that as well. To get started, you'll need to sign up for Jasper, and we'll leave a link to that in the description below. Using our link earns us a commission, which helps support our team and all of our ad-free videos. To create your first masterpiece in Jasper, click the Create New Content button and press New Art. We have two different options here at the top: Freeform and Templates. The Freeform tool allows you to input text like the text you see right here, and then choose from different parameters, including mood, medium, inspiration, style, keywords, and language. Let's break down the options within Freeform. First, you have your text prompt. You can enter your descriptive text here so that Jasper knows the type of image you want to create. Then we have mood, which as you can see ranges all the way from calm to whimsical. Then medium can be anything from acrylic paint to oil paint and even mixed media. Inspiration, which if you want, you could assign a specific artist style. And then for style, we have surrealism, pop art, digital, and so on. For keywords, these are used to add descriptive words such as 8K resolution, ambient light, and so on to your prompt. So for an example, let me go ahead and write superhero on a busy, wet New York street after dark. Scroll down. For mood, we'll do gloomy, medium, photography, inspiration, none, style, surrealism, keywords, ambient light. And now let's just press create art. And there we go. We have 4 different options that fit our prompt pretty well. This superhero is a little lame, I'll be honest, but the street lights and everything reflecting on the water looks pretty cool. The other way to create art in Jasper is by using predefined templates. These templates have all pre-configured parameters, so you only need to input a text prompt. Right now, there are 10 template presets, ranging from food photography to product close-ups, stock photography, and even storybook illustration. As we mentioned, Jasper struggles just a little bit with animals and people. So for our example, we're going to stick to something simple, such as product close-ups. For our prompt, I'm just going to write heart of the ocean pendant, like so. And that's the only thing we need to fill out because it is a template. So now I'll just press create art. Wow. As you can see, Jasper took our simple text prompt and transformed it into 4 beautiful images depicting our prompt. Once your images are created, you could do a few things like saving it to a campaign, as well as bookmarking, copying, sharing to Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit, as well as download and rename. Now, if you do choose to download your image, you only have 3 different resolutions: 1x, 2x, and 4x, which is 512, 1024, and 2048 respectively. As you can see, that's a 1:1 ratio, which means these are only available as squares. And for some people, you may want a different size than 1024. You might want 1920 by 1080. So how do you achieve that? The only current solution is to use another piece of software to get the exact aspect ratio and resolution you would like. I can download this top left image, put it into Photoshop's beta, and use generative fill to fill the remaining blank space. We have a video on how to do that if you're interested. I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. We also have a video on upscaling your images using AI, so that's another option you could look into if you would like. If you're interested in the best practices for making AI art, check out our blog post linked in the video description. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more like it. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.